Tree Line Drive.
911, what's your emergency?
Yeah, I need some help. My friend just crashed his bike. We're on PCH right at Will Rogers State Park.
Okay, we're sending someone right over.
769 will show you clearing, and you're going to be heading over to 1 Tree Line Drive.
Truck number 9, come in.
Copy that. Truck number 9.
Motorcyclist reported down on PCH and Will Rogers State Park. What's your ETA?
2 minutes. Over.
Copy that, truck number 9.
Hey, you guys gotta hurry. He's hurting. He needs some help.
Show you on the way.
Hey, over here.
Don't worry, he's gonna be fine. Can you follow my finger? Good.
Very good. 2739, we'll show you back in service. 2769 to take the job. And Medic 37, go ahead.